In California's San Joaquin Valley, more than 90% of sensitive wildlife habitat has been converted to other land uses, increasing the importance of conserving remaining habitat, even while providing for other land uses. In this complex scientific and administrative setting, Plains Exploration and Production Company is implementing a voluntary habitat conservation plan that exceeds regulatory requirements and public expectations. The 2006 Award for Habitat Conservation through the use of best management practices recognizes the plan's wide-ranging efforts to avoid and minimize disturbance to threatened and endangered species in the valley.
They've been very cooperative with us in modifying their business practices to accommodate some of the resource protection and resource conservation aspects of the development on public lands.
BLM lands are some of the last remnants of habitat in the valley for species like the San Joaquin kit fox, the blunt-nosed leopard lizard, and the giant kangaroo rat. PXP's Habitat Conservation Plan is a total package for sustaining quality habitat for endangered species.
Their Habitat Conservation Plan lays out the regulatory requirements to minimize the amount of habitat disturbance, to conduct surveys, take avoidance, mitigation measures, and then to compensate with off-site habitat acquisitions to offset the development of the oil field activities.
The key element of the plan sets aside more than 1,250 acres of company-owned land, valued at more than $1 million for habitat management. Plains Energy makes these lands available so species can be translocated when further mitigation is required under the federal and California Endangered Species Acts. For PXP, it's also a better way to manage permit approval.
And I think that kind of sets them apart from every company here in the valley. Makes their operations for them easier, makes things easier on us, knowing that they have that working document in hand that allows them to mitigate their projects with lands that they've set aside.
It's a win-win situation for the agencies and for the private industry. What we're getting out of it is approvals up front to move forward with our work. What the agencies are getting out of it is preserved land, which is very valuable for the growth of endangered species here in the valley.